Welcome to Queen's Alchemy. Today we're going to be making the sandwich that I can eat every day. It is packed full of anti-inflammatory foods and it is delicious. Let's get started. We're going to be utilizing these ingredients here. We're going to use the whole wheat, flax, oat bran, pita bread, the Ithaca hummus, everything bagel flavor, 1 tomato, onion, avocado, cucumber, and we're going to use the spring mix. We're also going to use this vegan cabbage slaw that I made, the recipe that is in the attached playlist labeled vegan styled recipes, and we're going to be using the panini press today. We're going to first chop up the cucumbers. I said that and set that aside. We're going to slice up the tomatoes and we're going to set those to the side. I like to prep all the foods that I'm going to add to my sandwich before I make it. And the cucumbers are full of water content, which is good to release toxins out of the body. And then we're going to cut open the avocado, which we know is a good fat as well as an anti-inflammatory food that we'll be using on this sandwich. As I open up the avocado, I'm going to scoop the insides out and I'm going to add it to a bowl. Then we're going to smash it and make this avocado smash. Once we smash it up, we're going to add in a little sea salt, just enough to taste, and then we'll mash it and mix it up all together. And then we're going to cut up our onion, and onions are detoxifiers in themselves. We're going to use the whole wheat flat bread and pita, and we're going to begin to assemble our sandwich. First, we'll put on the everything bagel hummus, and I spread it on like you would put any type of sandwich spread or mayo. This is my preference. You can use any type of hummus that you would like. We also take the avocado smash and put it on the other side of the pita bread and spread it out evenly. And you can use a generous amount, however much you choose. It's the spring mix. And as you can see, we have the radicchio, which is one of the anti-inflammatory foods. We're going to add the spring mix to the sandwich as well. And then we're going to add in the tomatoes, however many you choose. I like tomatoes, so I use quite a few. So I just go ahead and I stack them on. And then we're going to add on the cucumbers. I really like the mini cucumbers because they can also be used to make the pickled cucumbers in order to use as a probiotic, and that's good for your gut health. We're going to add in the red onions. I like to use a considerable amount of those because it gives the sandwich such a great taste. So I'm going to stack those on. Then we're going to add that cabbage slaw that I made. And we're going to put a considerable amount of that on there. Wow, that's looking good. Close it up. And now we're going to get it ready for the panini press. We let it heat up. Then we add the sandwich over to the panini press. Now you can choose to cut it in half so it'll fit on there, but I chose not to do so. I just put the whole sandwich on there. I'm going to close it up. You'll notice that it doesn't close all the way, so I just hold it down and allow it to press and take it off. And there you are. Watch your fingers. Whew. It's looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and cut that in half. There we go. Look at that sandwich. Looking great. There you are, the anti-inflammatory veggie sandwich. Let's taste it. Let's see how it tastes. Don't forget to check out my other videos and like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. So